Welcome to IBC 2025. This year we bring together our global media, technology and entertainment clients, showcasing their groundbreaking innovations right here in Amsterdam. So it's day 2 at the IBC 2025. I'm delighted to be here at PTZOptics with Silka. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm doing great. How are you?
Very, very well. How's the show going so far for you?
It's been awesome. We've had so many people come by. It's been really exciting to also collaborate with our partners today. So we're thrilled to be here. It's been off to a great start.
So what makes you special? Tell us about PTZOptics then.
Sure. So PTZOptics started about 40 years ago as an integration company, small family-owned business in the United States. But over time, as we were doing so many different projects, we noticed that there was a real gap in the PTZ market. So there was really low-end, poor quality cameras, and then really expensive, super, more than anyone would need type of cameras. So we were like, you know what, there is a huge gap. We're going to create a camera that's reliable, affordable, and has the quality and the flexibility that we needed for our projects. Yeah. So we started creating our own cameras. And so after some time, we're like, you know what, we're going to bring these to the market and we're going to empower the integrators and the broadcast community with these solutions that are so easy to use. They're affordable, reliable, and so we kind of took that angle and brought our solutions to the world. So very excited about that, and we really back all of our innovation in a way that is fitting the needs of our partners. So our Move 4K, for example, here, it has multiple outputs. It's versatile. It can be integrated easily. It also has camera automation tools that are intelligent, tracking, whether it's facial recognition tracking or voice tracking. So we really try to create a solution that makes everyone's lives easier, integrates easily, and then we back all that up with a 5-year warranty and our award-winning support team.
Okay. Whoa, lots and lots to unpick there.
Yeah.
First of all, let's just rewind a little bit.
Sure.
Can we talk about trends in the market? AI is the big one, cloud, all of that. What are you seeing?
Well, I mentioned intelligent automation earlier.
Yeah.
That's something that we really try to think about is how can we make the lives easier for the people that are using our cameras. So one of the things that we've done is we've packed all of our PTZ cameras with facial recognition tracking technology. So if you're a house of worship and you don't want to have a dedicated camera operator and you just want to have the camera seamlessly follow the pastor back and forth as he's conducting his sermon, or if you're a teacher in front of a classroom, now you don't have to worry about having somebody behind the scenes controlling the camera because we're using this presenter lock technology that locks in on the facial features. And now the camera can basically, you can set it and forget it. The camera will do all of the work.
It's so clever, isn't
Yeah,
it? And things are evolving all the time. It's a really exciting time for the industry.
It is. And so here you can see we're actually showcasing the latest development in our tracking solution. So we've had this auto tracking for a subject for a couple years now, and we're continuously evolving. We've added new customization features and we've taken it to the next level. But new at IBC, we're also showcasing voice tracking. And so, I mean, this facial recognition tracking is great if you have a single presenter that's like moving around, but what if you have a bunch of people that are seated at a conference? So now you don't have to worry about somebody dedicated to controlling the camera at a conference environment because we're using this voice tracking technology where we've integrated with 6 of the industry's leading microphone brands. I'll name Sennheiser, Yamaha, Shure, Nureva. So all of these partners, and the way it works is the microphone will send locational data to our PTZ camera. The camera will quickly and swiftly and smoothly turn to that active speaker, and now anybody who's joining virtually will feel like they're right there in the room. So really, really cool technology. So that can be accessed right from our new web interface, the PTZOptics Horizon. We've got our voice tracking there. So it just takes a couple of minutes to configure.
And so this is what you're focusing on this year. This is what you're showcasing.
Well, I wouldn't say just that. I mean, we're really focusing on just intelligent automation across the board. This is just one example of that, but it's one that we're excited about. Here in a broadcast show, I think that our facial recognition tracking and even our presets, all of our cameras can support 255 presets. So for sports, I mean, this is what they're using to automate. They're just setting preset zones in the field, clicking a button, and the camera will go right to that zone. So if there's a goal, it's not going to take the camera operator time to like swivel over to where, that they just hit the preset and their camera is going right to where the shot is.
So speed, simplifying workflow, that's what it's about.
Yes, that's what it's all about. And actually, we do have a new solution this year as well. So a lot of what I talked about so far has been our evolution of our existing product line and taking it to the next level.
Yeah.
But we actually have a new launched here at IBC as well.
Wow, you heard it here first.
Yes. So this is our Studio Series. It's our new line of fixed cameras. So you'll see compact, sleek, easy to integrate. Again, that's where our background is. That's what we always focus on with our design.
What's clever and what's obvious is that you're listening to customers, you're identifying what they need, and you're providing solutions.
Yes, that's right. Providing solutions is really what we're all about, and providing the solutions backed in a way that will last a really long time. 5-year warranty, award-winning support team. We're there for our partners if they run into any snags.
Yeah.
But the Studio Series is great. It's a 4K 60. This is a Studio 4K 60 camera, versatile outputs. The NDI license is already included. It has quick touch buttons here, so you can actually adjust the zoom or some presets just from the side of the camera itself. It's got a tally light, it's got a built-in microphone, so it's really got everything that you need.
Yeah.
And here at IBC, we've actually just unlocked a new functionality, which we're calling Super Zoom. So the way that works is it takes a 4K, a 12x 4K camera, and it doubles that zoom if you're using it in a 1080p environment. So now all of a sudden, you've got a 24 1080p camera.
Isn't it amazing that such a compact device can do so much? So when customers are coming, you mentioned the stand have been really busy so far. When they're coming and they're seeing this, what are they saying? What's the reaction like?
They've been excited. It's been really nice too because this complements our existing product line so well.
Yeah.
So a lot of our partners are pairing the Studio 4K with our Move 4K, for example. So it's been really nice. I think there's been a need for a compact camera like this that fits with all of our other solutions. So we've been getting some really great feedback. A lot of sports clients have been excited about this. And the other thing that we've just unlocked is an EPTZ functionality on this. So I was talking a little bit about that super zoom feature, but it also unlocks EPTZ because now you have a 1080p, like a small 1080p view in a 4K frame. So you can actually move the camera around almost like a PTZ camera by utilizing that EPTZ functionality.
Wow. I mean, it's mind-blowing when you think about it, isn't it? And how quickly things have evolved. Let's just talk for a second about the future. Where do we go from here?
So we have a lot coming. We've really done a lot when it comes to camera control. We've got a really great lineup of hardware control joysticks for camera control. Over here you're seeing our PTZOptics Horizon, where we're unlocking new easy tools for our clients to use when it comes to camera control over the computer. And then we also have our Hive Studio, which is remote camera control over the cloud. So I think you're going to see a whole lot more from PTZOptics when it comes to unlocking new levels of control and making it even easier than ever before.
We'll watch with interest. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the show.
You too. It was great to see you. Thank you, everyone.